Alright. Sorry about that. So yeah, hey guys, this is Official Daxon. And, oh wait a minute. Who am I? Oh yeah, I'm the guy who didn't upload anything. Sorry! So anyways, I have something a little bit special to show you guys. It's something related to this. Mysterious. So this is supposedly a giveaway prize from Sprice Machines, or Steve Price. And I was one of his winners in the 10,000 subscribers giveaway contest. And this is the prize. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you guys, and I wonder what's inside. So I'm kind of a bit nervous because wait, why am I nervous? I don't know, but I'm just really excited to open this up. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, the actual seal is right here. It gets my seal of approval. Alright, hold on, I just need it. Okay, that's just real great, Mr. Tape. I can get it off. Not worried about the actual packaging. This is going in the packaging is going in the garbage anyway, so. Oh wait, maybe there is something in here I shouldn't give up. You never know. Alright. Oh, what is this? Ah, look at this, guys. So that is let me get the camera. That is Sprice Machines right here. Yeah. And I guess this right here is the Domino. I need to check to see if there's anything else in here that I'm probably missing. Looks like there's nothing in here. So I think this is the actual unboxing. Alright, so here we go. Oh, I see it! Ah, there's tape. My worst enemy. I'm gonna try this without scissors. Okay. Can't I just like open this up and have the Domino? There it is! There it is, right here. Awesome. So there's a Heavish 5. There's also Dr. Complicated. There's Flash Domino, and there's Sprice himself. And we also have the Invention 11, Toothpaste 35, Stick Trick Domino Dude. Awesome. We also have Australian Domino Art, XX Dom Master XX, Super Domino Joe, Jack of All Space 98. There's his signature right here. And yeah, there's a bit others in there as well. So yeah, this right here is really amazing. So thank you so much, Sprice, for sending this over. And yeah, you are an amazing person. Now, where did I put his card? Oh, right here. Oh, there goes my dog. Sorry. So go subscribe to this guy. He's really amazing. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Bye.